Advance happy birthday, Danigo. And they're off. Doomstead draws for your lead, moving a party outside Dugus Sprite. Then running by the rail, Chinelli Trojanite. Shogun moving up by the rail as they race towards the 1,000 meter mark. Now we have Shogun. Now takes up the running, followed by Doomstead in second. Chuchinelli is racing in third, down in fourth by the rail Trojanite, running alongside Dugos Sprite. Then comes New Golden City. Federer running by the rail, and on the outside is Sears Tower, and trailing the group is Purely Collie as they rounded the last 600. Shogun still leading the field. Doomstead now throwing a challenge, moves up to take the lead, with Doomstead now takes up the running, followed by Shogun in second. Then racing now in third, Dugos Sprite, running by the rail, New Golden City, Trojanite, and down the stretch they come. Doomstead, this time by about 7 lengths. Running now in second is Dugos Sprite, then comes New Golden City, Federer, Shogun. With 100 to go, it's better go down and collect for runner number 7, Doomstead. Dugos Sprite, New Golden City, Federer, and number 5, Chuchinelli for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 7-9.